Good morning, students. In this video, I will tell you how we can balance a redox reaction which is present in acidic medium by oxidation number method. ठीक है. Now question is given, copper reacts with nitric acid. ठीक है. When copper reacts with nitric acid, a brown colored gases evolve. ठीक है. And the solution turns blue. ठीक. How can we write? Copper is Cu, nitric acid is HNO3, so we are writing nitrate ion. It gives a brown color gas. Brown color gas is nitrogen dioxide and it is Cu plus 2 ion. ठीक, cupric ion. It is in acidic medium. We have to balance this redox reaction by using oxidation number method. ठीक है. Now first of all we will write this in the form of skeletal equation. This is skeletal equation. Cu plus NO3 negative gives NO2 plus Cu plus 2. Now first step is we will write the oxidation number of each element at the top. Copper is in elemental form, its oxidation state is 0. When we calculate it for nitrite ion, nitrogen oxidation state will be plus 5. Here for nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen oxidation state is plus 4. Here copper is plus 2. Okay? Now by the help of this arrow we will write in this way, oxidation number 0 to plus 2. That means oxidation number increases from 0 to plus 2 here. Okay? That means copper is oxidized. And in case of this, it is plus 5 to plus 4. Here it is reduced. ठीक है. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर डिक्रीजेस फ्रॉम प्लस 5 टू प्लस 4. यहाँ पे कितना डिक्रीज हुआ 1 और यहाँ कितना इंक्रीज हुआ 2. तो अब दोबारा लिखेंगे हम. नाउ वी विल शो इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर पर एटम. ठीक. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर 0 टू 2 हुआ, दैट मीन्स ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इंक्रीजेस बाय 2 पर एटम. एंड हेयर इट इज 5 टू 4, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर डिक्रीजेस बाय 1 पर एटम. ओके. Now we will balance the increase and decrease in oxidation number by multiplying NO3 by 2. ठीक है. Okay. Now we will multiply by 2. ठीक है. Okay. Now next step is, now we will balance all atoms except oxygen and hydrogen. ठीक है. Here copper is already balanced. Here nitrogen are 2 but nitrogen is 1. तो to balance it we will put 2 over here. ठीक है. सारे atoms balance होगा except oxygen and hydrogen. Now last step is, now we will balance oxygen and hydrogen. Since this reaction is in acidic medium, hence we will add H plus ion to balance hydrogen and H2O to balance oxygen. अब यहाँ कितने ऑक्सीजन थे? 3 to 6. यहाँ कितने ऑक्सीजन है? 4. 2 ऑक्सीजन आर लेस. टू बैलेंस ऑक्सीजन वी एड वाटर. ठीक है. तो वी विल एड 2 H2O. 2 ऑक्सीजन कम थे यहाँ पे, तो वी विल एड 2 H2O. नाउ टू बैलेंस हाइड्रोजन, 2 to 4 हाइड्रोजन, तो वी विल राइट 4 H plus ion here. Hence it is a balanced chemical equation, redox equation, ठीक, in which all the atoms are balanced on both the side. ठीक है. Okay. This is oxidation number method and this reaction is given in acidic medium. Okay. Now students, see the next question. Permanganate ion reacts with bromide ion in basic medium. This reaction is given in basic medium to give manganese dioxide and bromate ion. We have to balance it by oxidation number method. Previous reaction was in acidic medium. This is given in basic medium. ठीक है. Now first of all we will write the skeletal equation. Permanganate ion is MnO4 negative, reacts with bromide ion Br negative, gives manganese dioxide MnO2 and bromate ion, that is BrO3 negative. ठीक है. Next step is we will write oxidation number of each element. It is plus 7, it is minus 1, it is plus 4, it is plus 5. ठीक है. Now what we will write? We will show कि which is oxidized, which is reduced. Here it is oxidized and it is plus 7 to plus 4 reduced. ठीक है. Now plus 7 to plus 4, that means oxidation number decreases plus 7 to plus 4. Here it increases from minus 1 to plus 5. ठीक है. अब कितना इंक्रीज और कितना डिक्रीज हुआ? ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर प्लस 7 से प्लस 4 हुआ, डिक्रीज हुआ 3. दैट मीन्स ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर डिक्रीजेज बाय 3 पर एटम. और यहाँ पे माइनस 1 टू प्लस 5 कितना इंक्रीज हुआ? दैट इज 6 पर एटम. तो ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इंक्रीजेज बाय 6 पर एटम. ओके. नाउ वी विल बैलेंस इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर. जैसे 3 पर एटम और या 6 पर एटम. 3 2 6, दैट मीन्स वी मल्टीप्लाई MnO4 नेगेटिव बाय 2. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल बैलेंस इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग MnO4 नेगेटिव, दैट इज परमैंगनेट आयन बाय 2. या 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, वी गेट दिस इक्वेशन. ठीक है. ओके. Now we will balance all the atoms except oxygen and hydrogen. So Mn, 2 Mn are here, so we will write 2 to balance Mn, manganese ion. Rest all are balanced. Now next step is we have to balance oxygen and hydrogen. Since this reaction is given in basic medium, so we will add 2 OH ions on the right hand side. ठीक है, just see here it is 8 oxygen, here there are 4 and 3 7 oxygen. ठीक है, to balance oxygen we will write OH negative ion, hydroxide ion. We write 2 hydroxide ion here. ठीक है, and we write, now we have to balance hydrogen. ठीक, hydrogen are 2 here, we will add 2 water molecules over here. To balance hydrogen we will add appropriate number of water molecules on the left hand side. We add water molecule H2O. After writing water molecule, we find that hydrogen and oxygen are balanced on both the side. Oxygen 4 to the 8 and 1 9. Oxygen 2 to the 4 and 3 7 and 2 9. Hydrogen 2 and hydrogen is 2. In that way, we can balance a redox reaction by using oxidation number method if it is given in basic medium. Okay? I hope you understood both the equations. Have a good day.